Hey everybody, Scoutcrafty here again on Monday. And, you know, I did the mishmash and I felt like, you know, maybe somebody was missing a tool restoration in there, but I got some really good news. And it's from Nathan, you know, we sent that part out that we made the other day for Nathan for his jigsaw, and he sent me back a video and some pictures. So check it out. How great is this? Now, what's really great is Nathan got the part, he reinstalled it right away, and he wrote me a letter. He said it didn't need any alteration whatsoever. It went right in, fit like a glove, and then he tried it out. But the base plate on the saw was a little loose, but check out how it sounds. So I was really stoked. I said, oh, I was happy as a clam, you know, knowing that part worked. And so I said, you know, I just felt like getting into the shop. It's really cool out. It's a nice night tonight, beautiful. And I said, I feel like going down the shop. And I have these small pair of Klein pliers. I said, let's just knock them out and make a part 2 for Mishmash Monday. Okay, here's the pliers that we're talking about. I bought you know, on eBay, I bought like I think it was 7 or 8 pliers a while back, and this was in there. I didn't even know they were, but I think they're Klein. I can't really tell, but look at this. So small and petite. They're like a 6-inch, but I've never I mean, they're really small. Look at that. But they're just like their big brothers, you know. So let's clean up on the wire brush, take a look at exactly what we have. Well, we finished doing our quick post-wire brush evaluation here, and you could see they are in beautiful shape, and they are indeed Klein's. You could see here, Klein & Son, Chicago, USA. The date code, if you look under here, it's E-I-N. The first letter is the quarter, so E would be the 4th quarter of 1956 when these pliers were made. How awesome is that? They're just a little stiff, but they look good. The thing is that, you know, I always try and take it to the next step. I mean, this would be perfectly presentable, but we're going to polish these up, make them nice, and put them in the collection. Now you know my favorite part. Remember what these Kleins look like before we started. And we are calling these 1956 Klein pliers done. And boy, look how nice these came out, huh? I had to go easy where the lettering was because I wanted to keep it. But you could see the man on the telephone pole, Chicago, USA. And just look at that, huh? Is that not beautiful? Is that not beautiful? I love Klein pliers. As you know, I'm a big Klein fan. And I think they're the best pliers made as far as for what they do. And just especially these older ones. And you can see the jaws are in really good shape. The cutters are in great shape. I oiled it up. It's all oiled and lubricated. Let's try it out and see how it works. Okay, and like I said, I did lubricate it. You can see how, look, that's the way it should operate, right? Now, let's try it out here with some regular wire. And you could see it clips. It just works beautiful, very sharp. Didn't even have to touch up the jaws because they're really good. But again, like I said, the lubrication is going to come through. And the handle's real nice. It's just, I don't even know. I tell you the truth, I don't remember these size Kleins in comparison to the larger pliers, you know, the 8-inch. But the thing is that these are 6 inches, but for some reason they felt so petite and so small. I thought when I was looking through them, I said, boy, these look like Kleins, but they're just very nice in the hand, very clean pliers, clean lines, and this was a fun project, and I just had to do it as kind of celebration for that part work and for Nathan. So there we have Mishmash Monday Part 2. Thanks very much for tuning in. I hope you all have a nice day. Take care now. Bye-bye.